Dive with me into the depths of an unseen world, a world where artificial minds are born and grow, the world of hidden AI projects. This is a realm of mystery and innovation, a place where the brightest minds are pushing the boundaries of what we believe possible. These projects, though less known, are paving the way for a future that's both exciting and awe-inspiring. They're creating artificial intelligence that can outwit us at chess, predict our shopping habits, and even mimic our emotional states. They're exploring the vast potential of AI, from the mundane to the breathtaking, and every step they take shapes our world in ways we can't yet fully comprehend. But this is not just a tale of technological triumph, it's a story of ethical dilemmas, of power and responsibility. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility, a concept not lost on these AI developers. Imagine an AI that can predict the future. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In the swirling vortex of big data, there's a project that's already turning heads. It's an AI system designed to predict future events, from economic trends to political outcomes. By sifting through vast amounts of data, spotting patterns and analyzing variables, it's able to make educated forecasts about what's to come. This brings immense potential. In the world of finance, it could anticipate market swings, guiding investments. In politics, it could predict election results or policy impacts. But there's also a darker side. If misused, this AI could manipulate markets, sway elections, or even infringe on privacy. It's like a crystal ball, but one that could be exploited for personal gain or political power. So what happens when we know the future? It's a question that's both exciting and terrifying. Next, we delve into the realm of emotion, a uniquely human trait, or so we thought. Imagine a world where our digital companions not only understand our commands but also perceive our emotions. There exists an AI project that aspires to do just that, emulate human emotion. This AI doesn't just parrot human responses, it learns and adapts, responding to anger with soothing tones and to joy with enthusiasm. It's a technological marvel, no doubt, but it brings with it a host of ethical dilemmas. Could these emotionally intelligent machines be used to manipulate us, playing on our feelings to influence our decisions? And as these machines become more like us, where do we draw the line between human and machine? Is it acceptable for machines to mimic our deepest, most personal experiences? Are we ready to face a future where machines can feel? It's a question that's as complex as the emotions themselves. As we've seen, these hidden AI projects are pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible, but at what cost? With the power to predict the future and mimic human emotions, these AI systems have the potential to redefine our lives. Yet, they raise a host of ethical questions. First, let's consider transparency. Hidden projects, by their very nature, lack openness. Without insight into these developments, how can we ensure they're being used for the greater good and not for nefarious purposes? The cloak of secrecy makes it hard to hold these projects accountable. Next, we must examine the potential risks. If an AI system can predict the future, what's to stop it from being used to manipulate outcomes? And if an AI can replicate human emotions, could it one day replace human connection? These are not mere dystopian fantasies, but real risks that demand our attention. As we venture further into this brave new world, we must remember to tread carefully, for the power of AI is both a blessing and a curse. We've journeyed into the heart of the hidden AI world, but what does the future hold for these secret projects? The potential is breathtaking. We're looking at a future where AI could predict events with unprecedented accuracy or understand our emotions better than any human could. With these advancements, we could revolutionize fields like healthcare, education, and even interpersonal relationships. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As we push the boundaries of what AI can do, we also need to ensure that ethical considerations are not left in the dust. We must ask ourselves, just because we can do something, should we? How do we prevent misuse of such technologies? Who will be held accountable if things go wrong? Striking a balance between innovation and ethical responsibility is our biggest challenge. But if we can navigate this tricky terrain, the possibilities are endless. In the world of AI, the only certainty is uncertainty, but one thing is for sure, the future is going to be fascinating.